Alright, in this video we're going to do a simulation of a water line break. We're going to use this PEX tube. I mean, it could be done with copper pipe, CPVC, whatnot. We're going to use this. This water's under pressure, so we're going to put a nick in the pipe. So right there you got a water leak. So what you're going to do is instead of your basement filling up with water, your house or whatever, and cut the line off. Now you have the water running out. Alright, so when you're doing this procedure, make sure you move quick. This is a simulation. We're doing it outside, so I can do it a little slower for demonstration. So again, make sure you have one of these shark bite fittings. It doesn't have to be shark bite. Slip one valve to the proper size of pipe that you have, tube. Make sure it stays open. Then what you do is you take it, you push it on, and then you shut the valve off. No more leak. Easy as that. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.